Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today, I'm back again with another quick opening. We're opening up the Vivid Voltage. I already destroyed the box because I need to get into it real quick. The Vivid Voltage booster pack. Here's the code card for the promo. Here's the promos. And then, let's get into it. We are looking for the one and only Mega Pikachu. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip over. Energy. Go-Go. Wyndham Stadium. Matang. I don't know. Mudbrain. Slugma. Wishmer. Execute. Reverse Hollow Fortress. And a Barracuda. That's the red card. Alright. Peace.